Did you know that Albert Einstein, one of the most prominent figures of the 20th century, never learned how to drive a car? Yet he drove us into a new era of understanding the universe. This revolutionary physicist not only transformed the world of science, but also the way we perceive our reality. His groundbreaking research and theories have shaped our perception of the cosmos. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening ride as we journey through the life and legacy of this extraordinary man. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. His father, Hermann Einstein, was a salesman who later ran an electrochemical factory, and his mother, Pauline, was a caring and devoted homemaker. Einstein was an inquisitive child, often lost in his thoughts. His fascination for the mysteries of the universe was evident from an early age. He was captivated by a compass his father gave him when he was 5 years old. The invisible forces that directed the compass needle sparked his curiosity, a curiosity that would fuel his scientific explorations in the years to come. Einstein's formal education began at a Catholic elementary school, though he later transferred to the Luitpold Gymnasium. However, the strict and authoritarian style of teaching didn't resonate with young Einstein. He preferred an exploratory, self-guided approach to learning. His family moved to Milan in 1894, but Einstein stayed behind to finish his studies. It wasn't long, though, before he followed, deciding to abandon the traditional educational path. He spent the next few years engrossed in independent study, delving into the works of great scientific minds like Isaac Newton and James Clerk Maxwell. In 1896, Einstein enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, one of the leading scientific institutions of the time. Here, he studied physics and mathematics, the foundations of his future contributions to science. However, his path was not always smooth. He initially struggled to find a teaching job after graduation, working as a patent examiner instead. Yet, these early struggles never dampened his spirit. They shaped his unconventional approach to physics, pushing him to challenge established norms and think outside the box. His early years were filled with curiosity and wonder, setting the stage for his groundbreaking theories. They were a testament to the power of curiosity and the importance of questioning the world around us, a lesson that Albert Einstein would carry with him throughout his life as he unraveled the mysteries of the universe. In 1905, the world of physics was forever changed when Albert Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers. This year, often referred to as Einstein's miracle year or Annus Mirabilis, marked a pivot point in scientific history, with Einstein's innovative thinking challenging the very foundation of physics. In the bustling city of Bern, Switzerland, a 26-year-old Einstein, working as a patent examiner, found himself engrossed in the mysteries of the universe. Amid his day job, he managed to pen 4 papers that would forever alter how we perceive the world. The first paper, on the photoelectric effect, proposed that light was made up of particles, or photons. This was a radical departure from the universally accepted notion of light as a wave. The concept of light behaving as both a wave and a particle opened up a new realm of understanding, leading to the development of quantum mechanics. His second paper introduced the idea of special relativity. Einstein argued that the laws of physics are the same in all inertial frames and that the speed of light is constant regardless of the motion of the observer. This was a revolutionary idea that shattered the conventional understanding of space and time, which were previously thought to be absolute. Einstein's third paper, on Brownian motion, provided empirical evidence for the existence of atoms, a concept that, although widely accepted today, was fiercely debated at the time. His fourth and final paper of the year introduced us to the iconic equation EmC2. This equation, succinct in its beauty, reveals the profound relationship between energy, or E, mass, m, and the speed of light, c. It tells us that mass can be converted into energy, and vice versa, a principle that underpins the energy production in stars and nuclear reactors. In just 1 year, Einstein challenged and changed the very fundamentals of physics. His miracle year papers marked the dawn of a new era in science, and his theories continue to shape our understanding of the universe over a century later. In 1915, Einstein presented the world with his general theory of relativity, a theory that would revolutionize our understanding of the universe. The general theory of relativity, in essence, is a theory of gravity. It describes gravity not as a force, as Sir Isaac Newton did centuries prior, but as a curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. This was a radical shift in the scientific paradigm, turning the conventional wisdom of the time on its head. Einstein proposed that space and time are not separate entities, but rather intertwined into a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. Picture a trampoline stretched taut. If you place a heavy ball in the center, it will cause the trampoline to sag. This is similar to how space-time curves in the presence of mass or energy. This curvature of space-time tells matter and energy how to move. So, contrary to the traditional view of gravity as a force pulling objects towards each other, Einstein suggested that objects move along the curves of space-time, like a marble rolling along the curved surface of our trampoline. But what does this mean in the grand scheme of things? Well, it means that the universe isn't just a stage on which the drama of physics plays out. Instead, the universe itself is a dynamic player, with its shape and properties changing due to the matter and energy within it. One of the most famous equations to come from the general theory of relativity is E equals mc squared. This equation tells us that energy E is equal to mass m times the speed of light c squared. It implies that mass and energy are interchangeable, a concept that has had profound implications for physics and technology, including the development of nuclear power. Einstein's general theory of relativity has been confirmed by numerous experiments and observations, from the bending of light by gravity to the detection of gravitational waves. It remains a cornerstone of modern physics, a testament to Einstein's genius and his remarkable intuition about the nature of the universe. Einstein's theory gave us a new lens through which to view our universe. Beyond his scientific contributions, Einstein had a deep interest in the political and social issues of his time. In the early 30s, with the rise of the Nazi regime in Germany, Einstein, a Jew, found himself in a precarious situation. He decided to emigrate to the United States, a decision that would not only save his life, but would also shape the course of his later years. Settling in at the newly established Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, Einstein continued his scientific pursuits. But his heart was also deeply engaged with the world around him. He was far from being just a theoretical physicist tucked away in an ivory tower. He was a man who cared for humanity. Einstein was vocal about the social issues of his time. He stood for civil rights and was a strong advocate for education and intellectual freedom. He believed that knowledge and critical thinking were the antidotes to oppression and bigotry. His political views were just as strong. Einstein was a pacifist, a belief that was tested with the advent of the Second World War. When he learned that German scientists were working on a nuclear bomb, he wrote a letter to President Franklin Roosevelt, urging the United States to develop its own atomic weapon. This would lead to the creation of the Manhattan Project. Einstein, however, would later regret his involvement, as the devastation wrought by nuclear weapons deeply saddened him. In his later years, Einstein became increasingly involved in politics. He was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, a position he respectfully declined. He felt his strength lay not in political leadership, but in the ability to use his influence to promote causes he believed in. Einstein's later life was marked by a profound engagement with the world around him. His contributions extended beyond the realm of physics and into the domains of social justice, education, and political discourse. He used his fame and influence to stand against racism, promote peace, and advocate for education. Einstein used his fame not just for science, but to influence and address the societal issues of his time. Einstein's theories continue to shape our understanding of the universe and the technology we use in our daily lives. It's a statement that rings true over a century after Albert Einstein first began to unravel the mysteries of the universe. The ripples of his genius continue to touch every corner of modern science, technology, and even pop culture. Delving into physics, Einstein's theories of relativity remain fundamental pillars. They've transformed how we comprehend gravity, light, time, and space itself. His groundbreaking revelations, such as the iconic equation E equals mc squared, continue to fuel cutting-edge research in cosmology, quantum mechanics, and black hole theory. It's a testament to Einstein's genius that his theories, proposed over 100 years ago, are still being confirmed by modern experiments, such as the recent detection of gravitational waves. Einstein's influence isn't confined to the realm of theoretical physics. It has practical implications that affect us all daily. Take, for example, the Global Positioning System, or GPS. This technology, which many of us use to navigate our daily commutes, relies on Einstein's theory of relativity. Without accounting for the time dilation effects predicted by his theories, the GPS coordinates would be off, causing havoc with our navigation. But Einstein's legacy extends beyond the scientific and into the cultural sphere. His wild hair, bushy mustache, and thoughtful gaze are instantly recognizable symbols of genius. His name has become synonymous with brilliance, and his image is often used in popular media to represent intelligence and creativity. His famous quotes about curiosity, imagination, and persistence continue to inspire millions around the world, reminding us of the power of questioning the status quo and daring to think differently. Einstein's legacy continues to shape the world we live in, from the GPS we use to navigate to the way we understand the universe. His journey from a patent clerk to one of the greatest minds in human history is a testament to the power of curiosity and the limitless potential of the human mind. Albert Einstein, a man whose name has become synonymous with genius, has left an indelible mark on our world. His revolutionary theories reshaped our understanding of the cosmos, challenging conventional thought and propelling us into a new era of scientific discovery. His inquisitive spirit and relentless pursuit of knowledge serve as a beacon for future generations of thinkers and explorers. Albert Einstein, a man who unlocked the mysteries of the universe, continues to inspire us to question, explore, and discover. We hope you enjoy this journey through the life and legacy of Albert Einstein. His theories continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, inviting us all to dive deeper into the world of science. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share your thoughts on how Einstein's work has impacted your understanding of the cosmos. Join us again as we explore the fascinating world of science and the people who have transformed it.